Hey, I'm Paul, one of the founders of Cate, and welcome to the showcase. AI coding has changed how we build software, but most editors still assume that you are working with one terminal, one branch, and one task at a time. That model starts to break down when you're working with coding agents, multiple terminals, documentation, previews, and parallel branches. Cate is an open source canvas IDE built around this new way of working. Instead of hiding everything behind tabs, Cate gives every part of your project a visible place on an infinite canvas. In this video, I will take you through a real development journey by continuing working on an iOS habit tracking app. Let's start from an empty canvas. So this is Cate when it's empty. It is simply an infinite canvas. There are no tabs to manage, no fixed panel layout, and no predefined way that your workspace has to look. I like to think of it more like a desk than a filing cabinet. But an empty canvas is not particularly useful, so let's give Cate a real project to work with. I will open a folder, and that folder immediately becomes part of the Cate workspace. This project is a SwiftUI habit tracking app I have been building. Cate reads the folder exactly as it already exists. There is no import process and no special project format required. I can open an existing repository and start working immediately. So, now I will build a workspace around the task. I will start by opening the main today view in an editor panel and placing it here on the left. The editor uses Monaco, so it feels familiar with syntax highlighting, search, diagnostics, and the usual editing capabilities. Next, I will add a terminal. Command T, right below. This is a real shell attached to the project folder, so I can build the app, run scripts, use Git, or work with any command line tool directly from the canvas. I know I'm going to work on the app's progress display, so I will open a browser panel with the Apple documentation. The plan is simple. First, clean up the header on the today screen, then replace the plain completion text with a visual progress ring. Finally, experiment with a celebration effect when all habits are complete. We now have the editor, terminal, browser, documentation, and file tree all visible at the same time. Let me introduce you to the agent panel. It is another panel on the canvas. Each agent panel has its own conversation and context. For this task, I will use Codex, but Cate can also connect other models from OpenAI, Gemini, and other providers. Let's start with something small and safe. The agent first inspects the relevant view and creates a short plan. It has identified the greeting, the duplicated subtitle, and the summary card directly below it. Now it is updating today view. Because the editor and source control view are already part of a workspace, I can watch the file change and inspect the resulting diff. I can see exactly what the agent removed and exactly what it added. Nothing is hidden behind a generic task. I will rebuild the app, and there's the updated header. And I never had to leave the workspace. Now let's make the summary card feel more like a real product feature. When I complete another habit, it animates forward. When I complete the fourth habit, it reaches a full circle. And if I uncheck one, it moves back again. For the final feature, I want to try something more experimental. When the user completes every habit, I want the app to show a confetti celebration. Worktree gives me a separate checkout of the same repository on another branch. This is the point where the canvas model becomes especially useful. I can see the main branch and the experimental branch side by side. That is the basic idea behind Cate. That's more branches, more agents, and more project states. We don't think the answer is to hide even more of that work behind tabs. Cate gives the project space. Cate is open source. You can find the repository and download links in the description. Open one of your own projects, build a workspace around it, and see what your development workflow looks like when nothing is hidden behind the tab. Thanks for watching.